There is a big debate around the government's proposed small business tax changes. What's clear is the vast majority of small businesses strongly oppose these changes. Even if you're not a small business owner, if you work for one or even just shop from one, you should be paying attention. The engine of our economy is not built on the backs of the big banks, the Indigos, or the Loblaws, but on the foundation of entrepreneurs that take the initiative to go out and do something on their own. Small businesses are the largest employers in Canada. So any changes that over 80% of these individuals oppose needs to be taken very seriously. There are millions of small businesses ranging from professional services such as doctors and dentists and lawyers and physiotherapists, all the way to farmers, convenience store owners, retail shops, and wholesale businesses. For example, I'm someone who's taken this risk several times in my career to start financial services businesses. Small business tax structure has been designed to incent these entrepreneurs to take the risks they do, while also allowing them to properly manage cash flows efficiently over time. The issue for the government is that there are wealthy Canadians who have taken advantage of this small business tax structure for their own benefit. The government is trying to eliminate their ability to do so. But in targeting them, they're also affecting the millions of real entrepreneurs who are driving our economy. The impact could be severe. First, it could negatively affect the viability of many small businesses who today are struggling to make their businesses work with every dollar mattering. Income splitting, corporate investments make a meaningful difference to their ability to survive and put food on their table. This is likely a bigger group than most people believe, as the majority of small businesses don't make much money for their operators. Second, it could affect job creation and economic growth. If small businesses are struggling, they can't hire that extra person or buy that extra inventory or open that new store or take on that new contract. They just can't grow. Third, we will see leakage in the number of entrepreneurs who leave their jobs to start their own business. And if this happens, this will be disastrous for our society. And the reality is, I don't know what that impact is, but it's not 0% and it's not 100%. It's somewhere in between. But if just 10% of those who would have started a small business decide not to, or 10% of doctors who would stay in Canada go to the US, or 10% of leaders who would have stayed in Canada now go elsewhere to start their businesses, then Canada as a whole loses. So these proposals are important, and understanding the long-term impact is important for everyone. What the government is trying to do is also important. They want to stop those who take advantage of tax loopholes who shouldn't. Let's call them what they are: tax cheats. But this is done by properly policing and enforcing the current rules first, versus changing rules that throw the baby out with the bathwater.